This video shows you how to install a software license to your PC using Keysight Software Manager utility. In this example, we have purchased two different Keysight products and redeemed our licenses on the Keysight Software Manager website, referred to as KSM. We received license files by download or email and saved them to our Downloads folder. We have also installed the two Keysight software products that require these licenses on the PC. We launch Keysight Software Manager utility and click Install License File. In the displayed dialog box, we browse to the license files which we saved from the Keysight email to the Downloads folder. License files always have the suffix .lic. We'll select this file, then click Open. Then click Add Now. That was successful. Let's go to View Licenses to see our newly added license. You can see the feature name for the license under this column. The feature name may refer to the licensed product or an added feature for the product. You can see the expiration date of the license here. Now let's go back to the Add License view to add a second license. This one is for a different product, and it happens to use an older Keysight licensing technology. We'll select the license, then Open, then Add Now. KSM-U tells us that we need to use Keysight License Manager 5. When this happens, then usually KLM5 will have already been installed on the PC during product installation. We'll click this button to launch the other license manager, and we see it says to follow the instructions in the help link entitled, "What if I have a license file to install?" Here we are in Keysight License Manager 5, and there's the link, "What if I have a license file to install?" This matches up with what we want to do, so we click that link. That opens the KLM5 help, and it tells us to click the wrench icon, and then click Install License File. We do that, as we did before we browsed to the file in Downloads. Okay, the install was successful, and there is our newly added license. Thanks for watching this video on installing a product license.